We are celebrating such a great exclusive media launch for Ray's Hot Chicken, national style hot chicken. Palabang pa naman natin. Damdam na talaga ang brewmans, Christmas fast approaching. But before we continue on, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our key and very special people behind the brand. Of course, first and foremost, our president and founder, Mr. John Corona. Sir. Siyempre, our general manager, Ms. Madeline Gordillo. Ayan, thank you, ma'am. Of course, our operations manager, Sir John Paul San Juan. Hi, sir. Chiquito. And of course, lastly, our marketing manager, Ms. Lynette Buda. Alright. Thank you for taking the time to join us this morning and for showing your love for Ray's Hot Chicken. Today, Ray's will be announcing some awesome news that fans, fellow ETs, and food trippers out there can look forward for the whole month of September. Diba? But before we officially kick off our event for today, our exclusive gathering for our fellow members of the media, we would like to test your knowledge first, diba? On some of the things that you might know about Ray's Hot Chicken Sandwich. Alright, we prepared a little trivia game for you guys. So, get that game face on, put out your ears out there, and let's begin. Of course, we have 10 questions, and anybody from the media on your game by signing friends to the media. And of course, we've already pre-selected 3 participants for this morning. Alright, maybe call in Miss Marisa, Miss Tina, and Sir Ray. Sir Ray! Ayan. Tinitingnan ko pa lang ako na yung excited at nararamdaman ko na bagay. So, let's talk about first what's gonna happen. This is the FN Hot Wings Challenge. So, ladies and gentlemen, kakain po ang ating tatlong Bravehearts. Ang lalakas po ng loob nila. They volunteered themselves to be here in front of us today. Kasi ang gagawin po nila ay kakain sila ng hot wings. At ang sauce po natin is yung ating banner sauce, or FN hot sauce, diba? So we have 4 different sauces here. Just to clarify to our friends in the video, we have the no spice, we have the sweet yet spicy, and we have the national style, and itong FN hot na yung talagang tier level talaga natin. So, alright, let's just discuss what's very quickly for mamaya. They all get a serving of wings. Kailangan nilang tapusin to, and each of them will start their time pag naubos nila yung wings nila. So, ito yung pinaka-pressure dito. Within 2 minutes, kailangan wala na train o humingi ng water, ng milk tea, ng kung ano man yan, or kanin. So, those things will happen immediately after 2 minutes pa. No problem, friend. So, get ready for this. Are you ready? Ayan. Excited ako for them, but pinapawisan ako just thinking about yung kakainin ninyo. But I heard that it's really, really good FN hot sauce, especially yung wings nila na to. And you can also have this para sa yung mga burgers and yung mga sandwiches, guys. Sa na? Alright, are we ready? Let's get ready. Sige sir, let's first ask Sir Ray, bakit mo naisip na sumali naman na before lunchtime, gusto mo na talagang umiyak, sir? Yeah, masarap talaga. Oo. How about you, Miss Larissa?
Yun nga, di pa naman nalusan eh.
What about you, Miss Tina? Ayun, yun talaga. Alright, so let's just wait for the wings to come out of the kitchen, di ba? So, sa mga gusto niya, syempre, you can all go to the menu and aside from the wings, we also have these sandwiches, and later on we'll talk about some exciting promos for September. Later on we'll allow Sir Zark talaga to talk about it. Ayan na. So let's look at the backdrop right here, though, our really good parang mural wall. I think this is based in Nashville, right? Ayan. Just kidding, time na. Okay, so while we're waiting, anybody who wants to also join later, may 6 to 10 questions pa tayo. Let's continue on, and please may I now call in our president, founder, Sir George Corona, to join me here in front of you guys. For a little chit chat, maraming salamat sir. Palakpakan po natin ang ating founder, Sir George Corona. Kamusta po, Sir George?
Good morning. Good morning. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Medyo malayo sa iba. I really appreciate pumunta po kayo ngayon.
You know, sir, September is about to be extra special because of the promos and this really new exciting chicken sandwich flavor that we will be featuring for the whole month of September, even moving forward, huh? Let's see. But before we announce this exciting news para sa ating mga members na here right here, allow me to ask you, sir, some questions, no? And let's do it like a one-on-one chit-chat, medyo talk show, very chill lang tayo dito. So, can you please take this, para mas malapit sa kanila. Alright, sir. So, first question tayo, sir. Why did you decide to open Race as a food delivery service at the beginning and not a physical store or a brick-and-mortar store?
First of all, bakit hot chicken? Same with our other brands and other concepts. And I get inspired during my travels. And back in the US, favorite ko yung hot chicken sandwich. And hot chicken is for Nashville style. That's what makes it different from other fried chicken and other sandwiches. Iba yung flavor ng spice. Hindi na basta lang maraming complexity yung flavors eh. So, dapat mag-launch kami back in 2020 as a dine-in store talaga, food store. But unfortunately, pandemic happened. Yes. Of course, we have to step back and reassess kung ano yung plans natin. And tulad ng nangyari ng pandemic, tuloy pa rin yung buhay, tuloy pa rin yung plano. So eventually, we launched it as a delivery-only concept sa simula.
You know what, I'll cut you right there, sir, to say, that's my next question for you. Now, what prompted you to finally open it this year? You know, your first ever dine-in takeout location, and it's right here ba, at Essex City, Fairview. What prompted you, sir?
Naging blessing in disguise in a way. We opened during the pandemic as a delivery-only location, delivery-only concept. Nagkaroon siya ng own brand following. Maraming mahihilig sa mga sandwiches. So nagkakaroon din na dumami yung mga chicken sandwiches. And that's what separates us from those other sandwiches. We cater to the core market na mahilig sa mga spicy. So, nagkaroon siya ng cater of its own following and then eventually we reached the delivery-only location. And then this year, as the economy opens and allowed na 70-90% in dine-in, that's we decided that it's time to open its own first physical location dito sa SM Fairview. Bakit SM Fairview? Because it's one of the highest food traffic ng SM dito. And maganda yung location. So, and Quezon City is the most populous one when it comes sa Metro Manila. So, it makes sense na dito yung first brand ng Race Hot Chicken.
I agree. And talaga ang gandang decision yun, sir. Sinabayan mo yung new normal, pagpabalik natin with face-to-face. And this concept really hits to the whole concept. So, sir, speaking of that concept, what differentiates Race Hot Chicken from other brands, diba? Let's get to it now. What do you think is your winning formula or your secret to success? Secret pero konting share yun naman sa'yo.
Of course, meron kami yung ginagamit na secret batter. Kaya kahit lang pag-deliver, crunchy pa rin siya. Unlike sa ibang sauces na mga fried chicken, na mga concepts, pag-deliver ito sa akin. Now, yung sa amin, crunchy pa rin siya pagdating sa bahay. Kasi bakit gano'n? Kasi we use yung dipping sauce namin, yung oil na ginagamit namin, is to retain the crunchiness. And dinalagyan namin dry hot seasoning. That's what makes us different from others. Others kasi wet, gamit nila. So, yung sa amin, dry seasoning. So, nag-retain siya. So, good, perfect siya for delivery. Not only delivery, mas masarap of course kapag time.
Ang galing na naman sinabi mo yung mga specific key points mo yun, sir. Hindi ka nag-promote for sharing that. Ang dami natin po pwedeng masulat, mag-share later on regarding mag-use sensor. Now, you know what, sir? Now that you've already started to expand, what's next for Ray's Hot Chicken?
What's next for Ray's Fried Chicken is, aside sa meron kaming happy special every month, naglalabas kami ng different hot sauces. Since nag-open kami, always also to support different local hot sauce making. In fact, meron kaming bagong special, Happy of the Month. And narinig ko ngayon na hindi na daw maanghang eh.
Sir, sir, go ahead.
Yeah. So, meron tayong Happy of the Month, Carolina Reaper.
Wow.
That's made from the hottest chili in the world,
Yes.
Carolina Reaper. So,
Yes.
I suggest if tayo mahilig kayo sa spicy, you can order that later. And aside dyan, kasi puro spicy, baka sabihin, paano pag di kumakain ka
Oo nga.
Actually, we're in our pipeline now. Next month, we will launch our different sauces na mga mas maraming flavors, pero not spicy naman.
Good. We're looking forward to that. Palakpakan naman natin yan, no? Out there in the pipeline, paparating na. But right now, let's focus first on the Hottie of the Month, diba, sir? Now, for that exciting part, sabi na nila, papunta na tayo sa exciting part. Can you tell us what's in store for our customers here for the month of September as we welcome the Vermonts po? We heard you have some new hot news for all of us. We have two promotions, so break it down for us.
For this month of September, our hot chicken sandwich will be 149 pesos only.
149
For the
pesos.
chicken,
Yes.
dito yun sa SM Fairview, Eton Centris, Eastwood, Taft,
Yes.
General Avenue, and
UST.
UST.
Yes.
Bago open the other day lang.
Wow, congratulations. Grabe naman, sir. On the road, Sir Rizal Corona.
And aside from that, of course, dahil may konting locations pa lang siya, we're all over Metro Manila sa Grab and Food Panda. And if you order sa Grab and Food Panda, free sides and drink yun for the whole month of September.
Wow.
So yung mga sides natin will be nachos,
Yes.
french fries,
French fries.
mac and cheese,
Mac and cheese.
buttered corn.
And buttered corn. So, perfect
Sa
yan.
chicken.
Tama. So, again, let's just hone in on that. There are 4 sides that will be available for you to choose from for free if you order any of our sandwiches. Hot chicken sandwich with bacon, coco hot chicken sandwich, and all of those under the menu. May kanya-kanya kayong division, free sides. Once more, using your favorite food app, Grab Food or Food Panda. And then, of course, yung in-store dining mo dito, for 189 pesos, 149 pesos na lang siya. Palakpakan natin, Sir Rizal Corona, maraming salamat din lang, sir. But before we let you go, baka meron akong kailangan your parting words para sa ating mga friends from the media.
Maraming salamat sa pag-support. And hopefully, with this partnership, marami pa tayong mga events sa future na gagawin. As we expand, raise hot chicken, not only raise, but with other brands as well. So, maraming salamat again sa pagpunta. And we really appreciate kahit medyo malayo pa. We really appreciate all of you. Maraming salamat po.
Sir, medyo may nakalimutan ka ba talagang i-hold yun si ating Carolina Reaper Chicken Sandwich, our Hottie of the Month. Gusto ko lang ulitin at sinabi mo yung kanina. That's one thing to also look forward to this September. Abangan natin yan at kakilikin natin para ma-extend pa siya beyond September. But we heard na every month meron tayong Hottie of the Month, di ba, sir?
Yes, that's correct. For this month, our Carolina Reaper was made by Jim Ross. It's a local hot sauce supplier. And yeah, abangan natin every month, meron tayong bago lagi na hot sauce. Of course, to support yung mga local hot sauce suppliers.
Okay. Maraming salamat, Sir Rizal Corona. Palakpakan natin siya.